This is an M-Tech 2 BMW steering wheel for my E30 that I just bought. And I spent the last better part of a day refinishing it and kind of semi-restoring it. I re-dyed the leather and just cleaned it up really well. The leather dye came out super awesome. It looks good, it feels good, it's all nice and smooth. There's a little bit of fraying on the stitching here and there, but what do you expect for a steering wheel that's probably, you know, close to 40 years old? This is the leather dye that I used. You just sand it down really gently. You clean it really well, you degrease it, and then you apply the dye in very light coats. I think it took about 5 or 6 coats. Anywho's, what we're gonna do today is finish off the steering wheel, which is a very big moment. This is an M sticker because the one that I had was garbage on it. There is the part number. It's a genuine BMW part. I'm not going to tell you how much this tiny little sticker is, but if you want the right sticker, you got to get it from BMW pretty much. And it goes right at the bottom here. So this is the final step, and I'm very excited. So I might do this off camera because, again, this thing is super expensive. And this little bracket, plastic bracket, broke, so I had to fix it. Again, 36-year-old BMW. I'm just going to put that on lightly. It's got 2 little grommets, and it should just snap in. Come on, be gentle. Be gentle. This is very satisfying. I worked hours and hours and hours on the steering wheel, but I love the steering wheel. It is by far one of the best BMW steering wheels of the area. It's very period correct, and nowadays they're worth quite a lot of money. So there you go. How's that look? Oh yeah, lovely jubbly. And then didn't really have to do much with this, just cleaned it up. And we're just gonna snap this thing in. But you're gonna have to take it off to put it on the car, but there you go. It's done. Anyone who learned that 10 and 2 is how you hold the steering wheel, they're wrong. This 9 and 3, this is the way you hold the steering wheel. So if you're interested in this kind of stuff, I will definitely be open to making more E30 content along with my Challenger that I should be getting this year. That's it. Take care. I'll show it to you on the car later. Bye.